How to scan a QR code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open camera application and you can simply place the QR code behind your camera and scan it with your back camera. The next option is to go to the notification bar and open the scanner of your device. Place the QR code and you can simply scan it. If you want, you can also scan it from a photo. Now, the last option is if you want to connect the Wi-Fi using a QR code, directly go to Wi-Fi and place the QR code in front of it. And that's it. That is how easily you can scan a QR code. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.